Hello, welcome back to another video, and today we're continuing on with the issue I've had with the TT, with the slight misfire, slight not running right, start stop being a bit awkward. Now as you see, if you click the link up here from the video where we changed the core packs to APR uprated core packs, so they're fit for a stage 3+ tune, we put an uprated spark plug, and then one of my fans reached out to me, thank you very much, and said, have you checked your battery? On these cars where they show me ECUs, computers, whatever, if the battery's low it can mess up things. So I thought, oh, I'll just change it. When I looked online at a new battery, and as you can see, I'll overlay it on the screen, from Euros. Right, so this is the Euro Car Parts website from today, and as you can see they're having a 50% off Jubilee sale. So without the sale price, the battery is usually $534.99, and with the sale price it's $267.49. That's quite a big expense. So I reached out to a company I've wanted to work with for a while, and thankfully they're sponsoring this video today, and that's Topdon. So Topdon make a number of different gadgets for your car. Today we're going to be using the Topdon BT100 battery tester, which you can use on your car, bike, ATV, boat, truck, lorry, wherever you got. So if you're quick, from today, the 3rd of June until the 9th of June, all of you can enjoy a 20% discount on this battery tester, the BT100 battery tester. The link and the code are in the description below, so get buying quick, because it only lasts until the 9th of June. So from the 3rd today until the 9th of June. But let's have a go at using it. So I'm going to pull the car forward, because obviously in the TTS the battery's in the boot, and then you'll see I haven't opened it, as you can see, so we'll learn it together. So let's get a little start up noise. Now, open up the boot, pull up off the floor. There is the culprit. So there's the battery in the TTS, hiding away in the boot. It looks a bit small to me, this battery, anyway. I think it might have been changed before. Let's open up our battery tester. So as you said, it's a lovely little unit. Let's see, let's undo it. So, comes with obviously the battery tester itself, and then the instruction booklet. So give me 1 second to have a little look at this, and I'll come back to you.
Minute 37 seconds later.
So once you've unwrapped it, you won't see anything on the screen because it's powered by your car battery. So you want to reading the instructions, you want to get a little bit of information about your battery. Look up the specification of your battery, because you'll need it. Mine's written on the, this is broken, mine's written on the side there, but I know the specifications of the battery because I've just looked it up anyway. So obviously your red is your positive. You get a nice good connection on your positive, and you're going to come around with your negative. So I'm going to have to replace this cover. We get a nice good connection on there, and there we go. So there's your Topdon battery tester. So you're going to press enter, then we want to go battery test. It's a regular 30 battery, it's a DIN, we know, and it's 760 amps, which is a startup amps. Right, so that's testing it, fingers crossed. I don't actually know how long this takes. Oh, there we go, already. So that's a replace already, which, to be fair, I've suspected as it was anyway. Not the best result, but let's have a look. It says the health of the battery is 39%, which obviously is bad. So I'm going to have to replace it anyway, but like I said, if I didn't have to replace it, this would have saved me the money of replacing it with that, as we've all done, I'm sure. So this now, switch over to a crank test. Right, so my illustrious colleague has jumped in the car, so we can do the crank test. So we press menu, let's go down, I'll try and get a good swing of the screen, press enter, so it says we'll start engine. There we go, just testing it, and that's all good. So cranking, we're good, which is positive. So if my colleague will turn the engine off. Right, so the crank test is good, but obviously the battery still needs to be replaced. Right, so now our last feature is, if I press our menu button, our last feature is the charging test. Now the engine has to be on for this. There you go, you get a nice little crackle of the engine there. So now if we press enter, please start engine, press enter to continue. We've done that already. So there's our ripple test, that's showing us what the battery is doing whilst under load. Increase RPM to 2,500. Keep it there for 5 seconds. Press enter. That's it, stop, that's it. And there we go, so charging's normal. Right, so what it's told us is, and it's a great little device, I love it already, but what it's told us is, our charging's working, so our alternator's fine, everything that end is fine, our crank is working perfectly, so the problem is, we've got battery. So, that will have to be going. But again, what an easy device. I mean, you've seen me take it from the box to using it. I don't know how long the video is. It probably took us 5-10 minutes to carry out 3 tests that really, if everything was fine, would save us quite a chunk of dough. And luckily enough, my daily driver is parked right next to us, and we're going to do a quick battery health check on that, just so I think the battery on that one's fine, just so you can see what it'll look like when the battery's good. So pause, we'll jump over and get the bonnet. So now we're under the bonnet of my illustrious, rather sporty 2010 Ford Focus, and we're going to try it on this. So the terminals on this one, as you can see, are a bit more awkward. Let's give this a go. Trying to get on here. Hopefully that'll be enough. Right, so there we go. So we're back live. So again, press enter. Press enter. Let's get our info from this one. It's a DIN, so enter, it's a DIN, but this one's a 650, so not as much as the TT. Yeah, that's right, 650 start-up amps. So press enter again, test running. Fingers crossed.
No! God, please, no! No!
Oh my lord. Today, I'm not having the best of luck here. So this one says this is 14%. Oh, we've lost the connection there. Hold on. Lost the info. My fault, I pulled one of my cords off. But it says the health of this battery is 14%. So it's worse off than the TT. It's at 100% charge. So I'm assuming it's charging alright. Just again, another battery needs replacing. I will find a car somewhere with a good one and show you. But yeah, as for now, thank you so much to Topdon for supporting the Car Filler UK channel. It means the world to me. They're a great company. You only ever see me promote, push, whatever products that I think are beneficial to you. I'm not going to be touting crap for the sake of it. It don't bring me no benefit. I don't do this for all of that. I just do it because I like to have fun with my car. I like to spend money on it without the missus moaning, and she doesn't moan if I make these silly videos, so benefits. But yeah, great product, easy company to work with. Like I said, you've got till the 7th of June to use the code below to get yourself 20% off of one of these. I couldn't recommend it more. As you can see, very easy to use. Any question about it, hit me in the comments. You know I'll answer every single comment, or hit me in the DMs over on Instagram, Car Filler UK. I'll leave a link to Topdon's Insta, their website, the the Amazon link and the discount code, so you can get yourself one of these. Like I said, 20% off until the 9th. Get yourself one, support the channel. Thank you for all watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like, and I will see you for the next one when we'll find another problem, I'm sure.